In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom instruction in Grok. By the end, you'll know how to set clear preferences once, so Grok consistently responds the way you like, without repeating yourself in every chat. Start by opening your browser and heading to grok.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the main prompt box where you would normally type your question. Right next to that prompt area, you'll see a small drop-down arrow. That arrow opens the settings you need. Go ahead and click it. From the menu that appears, choose Customize. This takes you into the place where you define how Grok should behave for you. To think of this as your personal playbook for the assistant, instead of adding the same instructions over and over, you set them here once, and Grok will apply them automatically across your conversations. Inside Customize, look for the option labeled Custom. Select that to open a text area where you can write your own instruction in plain English. This is where you tell Grok your preferences for tone, formatting, and level of detail. Be specific, but keep it concise and practical so it's easy for the model to follow. You can describe the voice you want, how results should be structured, and any must-do rules that matter to your workflow. For example, you might write, respond in a professional tone, use bullet points, keep answers clear, direct, and detailed. That short paragraph covers style, formatting, and depth in one go. You can adapt it to your needs. Maybe you prefer a friendly tone, short summaries first, or citations when relevant. The key is to state what you want in straightforward language so there's no ambiguity. A few quick tips as you write. Focus on outcomes you care about, such as clarity, brevity, or step-by-step structure. Avoid conflicting rules, and skip any personal or sensitive information. You can always revisit this page and refine your instruction later if you find something isn't quite right. When you're happy with your custom instruction, click Save. That confirms your preferences and applies them to your future prompts. From now on, when you ask Grok a question, you should notice the assistant following your chosen tone and format automatically. If you ever want to adjust the behavior, repeat the same path. Open the drop-down by the prompt, choose Customize, select Custom, edit your text, and save again. And that's it. You've set up custom instruction in Grok, so your assistant responds exactly the way you prefer, consistently and without extra effort.